This video will provide instructions on how to conduct and apply a maximal voluntary contraction, also known as an MVC, calibration in Trigno Discover. First, navigate to the sensor settings icon of the sensor you wish to apply the calibration to. Calibrations are only applied to the selected sensor in the selected sensor configuration mode. If you switch to another sensor or another sensor configuration mode, you will need to perform a new calibration. Next, select Calibrate to open the sensor calibration window. Here, you can select either manual, collected, or an MVC calibration. Select MVC and select Begin. This will open the calibration name box where the calibration can be renamed. Select Save to start the process of calibrating the sensors. The calibration settings icon at the top right will allow for configuration of the MVC calibration. The number of contractions, period lengths, and the text displayed during the calibration can be configured here. A minimum of 2 contractions is required to perform a successful MVC calibration. Click Save once finished. Here, in the lower right corner of the sensor calibration panel, there is an option to configure all channels. For a multi-headed sensor, you can select this to collect the calibration trial from all EMG channels of the sensor. Please note that calibrations can only be performed on a single sensor at a time. After the settings are configured, select the play button at the bottom right to start the calibration. Follow the instructions on the screen to contract and rest during the contract phase. Exert maximal effort to ensure a proper MVC is performed. Once the recording has completed, the calibration can be saved by selecting Save Calibration. If recalibration is required due to poor data quality or submaximal effort, select the Recalibrate option to repeat calibration. To save the calibration, select the Save button. This will automatically apply the calibration, and the name of the calibration will appear under the Trial Settings configuration pane. You can select from all saved calibrations by using the Calibration drop-down menu here. Select Apply and Close, and the calibration will be applied onto the sensor. During a data stream, the calibrated RMS data will be displayed as a percentage of the MVC value. To watch the next video in the Trigno Discover Getting Started series, click here. For additional information and assistance, visit delsis.com/support. And be sure to connect with us on our socials.